Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SageMaker Studio, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with SageMaker Studio, start by signing in to the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon SageMaker service. In the SageMaker dashboard, look for the Studio option in the left-hand menu. Click on Studio. If you don't have an existing domain, you'll need to create one. Select Create Domain to proceed. Choose the authentication method you'd like to use. You can opt for IAM Identity or Amazon Cognito for user access. Fill in the required fields to set up your domain. Decide on the VPC settings if your organization requires it. Select a subnet and security group for your environment. Review your selections. Once satisfied, click on Create Domain to finalize the setup. This process may take a few moments to complete. After the domain is created, return to the SageMaker dashboard. Click on Launch Studio to enter the Studio interface. Upon first entry, you may need to set up user profiles. Choose to create a user profile and fill in all necessary information. Specify the execution role that will allow you to access AWS resources. Complete each section as prompted. After setting up your user profile, click on Create User Profile. Once the profile is created, you can launch SageMaker Studio. On the main page, you will see various options for starting projects. Explore the environment to familiarize yourself with the tools available. Now you are ready to begin using SageMaker Studio for your machine learning projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.